Good morning, kinfolk. We are here at the hotel that we stayed in last night, and we are here in Boerne, Texas, having the morning coffee. Everybody else still sleeping, but got the bikes right here. Got mine all covered up, snuggled up, snug like a bug in a rug. But yeah, man, today's gonna be day 3. So, matter of fact, let me uncover the bike and tell y'all how many miles we've ridden total and what we rode just yesterday. Let's see. As of yesterday, we have ridden 592 miles total from the day we left the house. And then just yesterday, we ran 255 miles. It was a pretty good day yesterday. Today we're gonna head out to Fredericksburg. A little bit out there, man. I think the wife wants to hit up a winery. We'll go check that out, and then just do some more riding, find some roads to hit it up with. It's been really amazing, man, just to get out here and take off on the bike and just do a little exploring. To do it, the brother-in-law has been really cool. So I've enjoyed it, man. I hope y'all have enjoyed the couple videos that come out. I hope y'all continue to watch them. We're supposed to be out here till like Wednesdays. I think we're gonna end up heading towards Austin as well. So I guess next time I'll catch these on the bike. All right, kinfolk, we are on the bikes now. So we are headed to Fredericksburg. We are on 473 right now. So yes, sir. So that's where we're headed. I think we'll go through Kendalia and then Luckenbach, and then we will hit Fredericksburg after Luckenbach, I believe is how it's gonna come out. So yeah, man, this has been such an amazing ride so far. This is our 3rd day. As you know, if you've been watching the little video series, and every day has been just amazing. Last night, me and my brother-in-law went to a little brewery right there in Boerne, Texas. So it was really cool. Had a good time. And the roads out here have been just phenomenal. I mean, I haven't ridden this many roads out here ever. So to be able to explore different roads out here in the hill country has just been, it's been amazing. So yeah, man. So we're gonna continue on, and I'll just let y'all enjoy the experience. Let's go. All right, kinfolk. This road that we're on here is called Crabapple Road, and it looks pretty cool. See if y'all can see this. See how awesome this is. That's a damn near one lane road. Ah, dang. This is a pretty steep hill right here. I don't know if y'all can tell or not. But it is. Man, look how gorgeous this is. Jeez. And this is freaking steep as well. Ah, dang. Yeah, engine braking though. Dang. That's definitely a one-car lane over that little bridge right there. Beautiful home.
Continue on Crabapple Road for 3 miles.
I need to update my maps because the map on the motorcycle don't even show this road. Hi, Kinfolk. I'll jump back on here in a little bit. Well, that was a cool little spot right there. Now we are headed on a river road. Kinfolk, look at this. Oh, that sucks. There's somebody's guts all over me. So we made it over here to the Luckenbach, Texas sign. So I want to take a picture right here with the bikes and stuff. So probably with that old truck too. There we go. Luckenbach, Texas. Pretty dope. Alright, kinfolk, we made it to Fredericksburg. We walked around Main Street for a while because we were trying to run a little bit of time. We couldn't check into the hotel or motel till 3. But we're here now. We got 3 queen beds. What's it called? Eco Lodge? Yeah. Eco Lodge in Fredericksburg. 1 bed, 2 bed, 3 bed. So we're about to just go eat real quick. So we're gonna go eat at Mamacita's. So I think I'm gonna end it here, man. I don't think we're gonna do any more riding today. So we'll catch you tomorrow. So make sure you stay tuned for that video. So until next time, kinfolk. What the much love, much respect, Knuckles out.